Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video, so about 2 years or something, I think. I don't know, I have no idea, but like, yeah. So today I am gonna today I'm gonna do I'm gonna show my fidgets, sensory fidget toys. Because I have no idea what to do anymore. So yeah, this video may be a little lame, but yeah. So I'm gonna show my fidgets. So yeah, that's bugging me. So the first fidget that I got, this fidget that I got in 2017 is a fidget spinner. Yeah, it's a fidget spinner. And then I got this other fidget spinner that is gold and like, yeah, you can smash it and then it has lights on it. Yes, and then I got this that is like this flower or something, and it's a fidget spinner also. So yeah, that's basically it. And then I got yeah, this is not even mine, but like it's another fidget spinner. It's supposedly have yeah, it's supposed to blink like there are lights, but it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, it's my sister's actually. Oops. And then I got this stress tentacle ball, and like it had these balls, pom-poms at the end, and like I have taken off several of those, and then at one lecture I accidentally popped it, so like it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, that's nice. It doesn't work. Oh. Okay, you can still use it, but like you could squish it, and so no, it doesn't work anymore. So that was sad. And then I got this smiley stress ball. You just push it. So yeah. And then I got then I think I got this puppet thing that yeah, I guess you know what puppets is, but like yeah. And yeah, so you just do that. And then I got this mini puppet keychain. That was on my backpack, but like I accidentally yeah, it broke, so it's not in my backpack anymore. So yeah, but it's quite nice actually. I like it. So yeah. And then I got, oh no, I forgot. I got this one before, like the fidget cube. So yeah. Yeah, it's just like a fidget cube. So nothing special there. But I actually do quite like it. But it sounds too loud, I think. And then I got this these then I got these massage rings that that are for fidgets, but not only for fidgets. Like it's actually an actual massage acupuncture thing also, but you can use them as fidgets. So yeah, I got these, and I actually have one other, but I didn't get them at the same time, so I got this one. So I have 3 here, but I actually have 4. So yeah. And then I got this fidget spinner. That also is a puppet, which I actually quite like. Like, it's nice. Yeah, this is probably one of my favorites, actually. So yeah. And then I got these I got at the, yeah, then I got this ball that like is only like this. I think it's like slime or something in it. I don't know actually, but like it's quite nice. I kind of like it. But like if I can get it the right focus. Yeah, you can see there's something in it there, like it's white or something. So yeah, and then I got this Orbis ball. I actually had another Orbis ball that like had this like massage things on it, but like I popped that too under a lecture, so yeah, I don't have it anymore, and that was sad because I actually liked it. But yeah, I have this one now, so yeah, I guess it's better. And then I got, I don't know what this is. It's something like some squishy things. Yeah, I don't know. Then I got oh, I found I found the 4th ring. So yeah, it's just like acupuncture. It's quite nice. I actually like them. Like, I actually used this when I had trouble sleeping, because like it actually helped. I fell asleep much faster. And then I got this bean that you just like, yeah, it's a bean. You pop it up, whoop, and there's the smiley, and there's the one with the face, whoop, and it's also a keychain, so you can attach it to something. I haven't done that. And then I got these 2 keychains that are linked together. I haven't used it as much. Yeah, as you see, I don't know how to. Yeah, but like it's this. Like you do this. I don't know, I haven't used it, so yeah, but it actually is quite nice, I think. And then I got this like marble in a mesh. I got 2 of them. So yeah, you just only do the marble, goes up and down. It's nothing more. And then I have a yellow also, like so. And then I got I'm gonna take this off. And then I got these 3 like these stretchy things. Yeah, I don't know how you're supposed to use them, but yeah, these stretchy things. Yes, so you can wrap around or something. Yeah, that was actually quite nice. And then I got these 2 tubes. So you can put them together, I think. and like it makes this sound. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. It do sound quite nice, but like I think it's too loud on the way out. On the way in is much softer. So, but I can actually see why it may be fun or like addicting, I think. Yeah. And I think that was it. So if you're new to my channel, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, make sure to like, maybe comment, subscribe, of course. Woo! And yeah, so that was it. That was my Fidgets toys, or like sensory toys. So yeah, bye. Have a nice day.